Today I'm going to reveal all my income streams as a crypto millionaire, because a lot of you guys have wondered how I'm still making a lot of money while being a crypto millionaire and sustaining my lifestyle. So let's directly jump into it. One of my income streams where I get every other day a couple of $100, and also then on a monthly base, of course, is my signals group, where I provide trading signals that people can use to make money in the market without having the proper technical analytical knowledge to analyze the charts themselves. So I basically just need to copy paste what me and my team are telling them to do, and most of the time people are making money on that. So of course I'm not gonna hide that we have, as all groups, some losing signals. I can tell you, if somebody tells you he is running a signals channel and he has 0 losses over like a 2 years period, it's most of the time a scam. So an honest trader will always tell you, yes, of course I have losses, but we are making more profit than what we are actually losing, and that is also with my signals group the case, hence why I have a steady income stream. What do I make of that signals group? It really depends on the month and also on the market, but it is an average somewhere between $8,000 and $10,000 what I receive on a monthly basis. Then the next big chunk where my money is coming from, and a lot of people also know that already, is affiliation. So you know, I promote a lot of exchanges on my channel. That is basically financing the channel with, for example, buying new equipment that I had to buy just a couple days ago, and also helping me to pay payroll for everybody that is working in the background on that channel. So who are my affiliate partners? Mostly exchanges right now, and also, for example, VPN provider is also one affiliation partner that I have right now. So how much do I make an average from affiliation on a monthly base? Here it's around $30,000 and $40,000 what I receive here, and that is only my affiliation commission that I receive. Here also it is quite fluctuant what I receive here, because again, I have bad months, I have good months, but in average it is around $30,000 to $40,000. The next part of my income are sponsorships. Now sponsorships are slowly picking up again. I just closed one 2 days ago, a really big one actually. And here also it depends always where we are in the market. If the market is bad, like a couple months back, there almost got no sponsorships. If the market is picking up or we're in a bull run, I get a lot of sponsorship offers. Here, the average amount that I make from sponsorships on a monthly basis, if I average it out over the year, is between $20,000 and $30,000. I am also still trading by myself, and this is actually the biggest part of my income. A lot of people think it's the affiliation part. Oh, you're chilling the link. And you're making all your money off that, you're not trading. No, that's not true. I make still the most of my money from trading when I trade for myself, and this is around $50,000 to $100,000. Also here it depends on how busy I am, if I have to travel, if I actually spot an opportunity, if I'm not busy with other stuff, for example with recording videos like that, that is of course then distracting me from trading, or when I have to travel. Now I'm in a different country, as you can see from the background. I'm in a totally different place than from where I usually record my videos. So if I have stuff like this basically interrupting me in my trading routine, then of course I make not as much money than I would do in another month, but an average is between $50,000 and $100,000 on a monthly basis what I still make from it. The next two are actually not trading related. One of them is a nightclub that I own on a Greek island called Ios, or EOS as I pronounce it, but it's spelled like the Apple iOS. I own this club now in the 3rd year. The last 2 years were really good to us. We opened 2 years ago after Corona for the first time, and here I make an average from this nightclub around $5,000 on a monthly base. Again, it is not this is a fun project to me. I only invested in it because I wanted to help out a friend who was struggling with a potential other investor that was giving him a huge headache. Hence why I jumped in and said, okay, let me invest. It's a small amount. At least you don't have a headache. I let you manage the business. And I'm happy to say that I own a nightclub. So, and that was the deal that we made. And yeah, I still make money on it, but it's really small compared to all other income streams that I have. And it's also only a seasonal income stream that I have, because we are only open during this basically from the end of spring until the beginning of autumn, and then we are closed. So we are more or less half of the year we are closed, and the other half we are open, and there we are making all the money. The next business that I have is a car rental company in Dubai called DubaiRentACar.ae. You can go and check out the website. The website is amazing. So if you ever come to Dubai and you're looking for a rental car, go to my company. We have, as far as I know, we have also the most competitive prices in the market. So this company I also own now soon in the third year with two friends of mine. Again, it's not really excessive here. Again, I did not expect to make like millions from it. It was just nice to add another small income stream, because the more income streams you have, the more it's piling and compounding into a bigger amount. And that was the idea why I invested into that rental company 3 years ago, and that is making me an average around $10,000. Now we are coming to my crypto courses. As you guys already know, I have also a new crypto course. Here I make between $10,000 and $25,000 right now every month. So I'm not selling a lot of courses when you look at the prices, but I also can tell you the reason for that. We did not start activating paid ads for that course just yet, because on the back end there's still some stuff that I would like to refine before I go and spend money on ads. So I want to make sure that everything is perfect before I start advertising this with paid ads. And you actually need paid ads to get a course, or especially a course like that, really running and bringing you big numbers in. So I have seen it with some friends that have courses, and without ads, if they turn them off, they make zero. And that just showed me, even if you have a huge online presence, a course, if you want to sell a course, you have to have ads if you want to make big money through the courses. So that is the next step. And for now, I'm happy with the $25,000, but we're gonna ramp it up this year once we are going and put paid ads on that. Now the last part is investing. I put it at the end because you cannot determine an average income from investing, because this is an ongoing thing and it's not coming back on a monthly base. I only took now as an example the last bull run investment that most of you guys anyway already know, and that was PancakeSwap. I used that as an example and said, okay, if I invest $1 million, 6 months later, I got back $120 million. If I now break this down over a year, it would have been $12 million that I would have made on a monthly base from investing. So, but I put it also in brackets for myself, because like I said, it is really hard to determine how much do you make on a monthly base from investing, because you have some investments that are paying off faster than other ones, and to commingle that and try to untangle it then afterwards, how much made what on a monthly base is quite difficult. So that's why I wanted to put this in brackets. So, but how much do I make then without investing on a monthly base, more or less? So on a monthly base, I make between $133,000 on the lower end, which is a bad month, and in a good month, I make $210,000, or eventually even a little bit more than that. If you calculate that now up over a whole year, then I make $1.6 million on the lower end every year and $2.64 million on the upper end, and eventually more over a whole year. So now we are starting to getting into the next bull run with the halving coming up, of course, I will make more money than just 2.64 million on a yearly base. Over the next 2 years, I expect at least to add a zero to that, to $26.4 million, and actually even more than that, because I had now only the last 2 years as a benchmark. We just came out of a bull run, then in the bear market. But I think all things considered, I did quite well for myself, and kept myself also quite good afloat during the bear market when I look here at these numbers here on my laptop. And this will, of course, now over the next 18 to 24 months only improve. Before I end this video, I also want to give you an opportunity how you can make money here. For example, I'm hiring right now a graphic designer. If you really skilled in graphic design and you have experience with thumbnail design and a lot of other different design artistry, then just drop an email to jobs@amcrypto.us with your portfolio. If I think you might be a good fit with your graphic design skills and also a good fit for my team, then I will reach out to you. That is unfortunately not a passive way of income, but an active way of income, but at least it is also something. Oh, I actually forgot to add here something, and that is my YouTube monetization. I did not add it to it because it's such a small amount for my channel right now. On YouTube, I make an average $400 right now from the ads that are running on the channel directly from YouTube. So if you calculate that up over a whole year, it's $5,000 that I make there for the time being. But this also just picked up. It was way less before, and I also expect that to increase over the next 6 months, even potentially 3 months, where I can potentially already double that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you are also subscribed to this channel here, that you like this video and activate the bell so that you will not miss out on the next ones.